day to you, and how you be, everybody? Jan Agosto here, and welcome to Taino Eng. Today is going to be a fun one. Today, what I'm going to be talking about is how to shoot a product video for your clients. When it comes to marketing, I have noticed that marketing on social media is the best way right now. That is the number one part that I get clients from. It comes from social media. And yes, pictures do good, but I've noticed that when it comes to little videos of shooting their shirts getting printed, it just blows up. People like it. Remember, they're gonna share it on their own social media. People gonna ask, oh, nice video, who did that for you? And they're gonna refer you, and they're gonna say, you know, I would like a little video too if you could do it. That's the beauty of creating a little video, because everybody likes to post things on social media. So if they're getting their shirts done, why not seeing their shirts being printed, which is very rare that you see on social media, and they will just go for it. So that's what we're talking about today. We're talking about how to just shoot a video with just your phone. A year and a half, I did my YouTube videos just on this phone. Now I'm using the Canon M50, but for a year and a half, this phone really worked. And I'm gonna show you the apps. There's an app here, Adobe Clip, that you could do editing. If not, if you wanna do on a computer, there's one that's called Shotcut. I will have those linked in the description down below, so you could go and edit with no watermark, and it's free. You don't have to pay anything, and learn how to do your editing. Awesome. Put the little music on, people gonna like it, but I'm gonna show you the little few tips that I have, how to start shooting a product video for your clients. This video that I shot, I was using the Rapid Cure ink from Screen Print Direct, and if you notice, I make sure that I put all the details of the ink. I put the name of the ink, I put the color of the ink, where it was made of, made in the USA, and the logo of the company that's in the side. That's all you want to show. Plus, I show how soft the ink, is, how smooth it looks, and I also show the print on it. And that was a 30-second little video. So now I'm just gonna show you some tips of how the process goes of creating a little video. All right, so tip number one is to do some pre-planning. You have to make sure you're ready to start the video. You already have it all set up. Like, where am I gonna start? Am I gonna start with the film being printed, or me exposing the screen, or putting the screen on the press? You gotta decide that, but you wanna start strong on the video so you can captivate the audience, and you wanna make sure that the ending of the video is showing the product that you just printed at the end on a shirt. Show the shirt, but make sure you already pre-planned all that. So my pre-planning process goes like this. First, I find the perfect song. That's one thing about that. It's gonna take you a long time looking for that perfect song. And if you could go to their social media and find out any song they putting on, or any little video, sometimes they put the video, it lets you know what are the client is into. It could be hip hop, it could be reggaeton, it could be rock. But find out first. Don't go with your style. You want to do this for them, so you want to find out what type of song do they like, and that already sets you up to look for a nice song for the video. All right, number two of the pre-planning process is brainstorming different type of shots. Think about how you want to do the video while you're listening to the music you already chose, so it could be in rhythm with the song. That's one thing you want to do. So when it comes to the editing part, is you still have to try to figure out, make sure it's on the beat, but you already have an idea of, when you're recording with your phone, how to blend with the song. And number three of the pre-planning process is brainstorming different type of shots that you're gonna take while you're doing this video. Write it all down. So if the first one is, I'm gonna open up the exposure unit, you already wrote that down. The second one is me washing off the screen. It's all written down, so when you start recording, you already have it all written down, and you know what shot is coming next after that one. All right, tip number two is proper lighting. Make sure you have some lighting. Get some fluorescent light or LED lights, place them around your press so you could get a lot of lighting, and then you adjust it when it comes to editing. But lighting is very crucial. You have to have some lights around, especially if you're in a place that there's not a lot of sunlight. You will need some lights. If you're in the sunlight and a lot of light coming in, then you're good. But lighting is very important when you're doing this video. Tip number 3, you will need a tripod. Something to hold the phone up. You could get these little tripods, they're cheap. And if you don't have a tripod, you could use books, pile them up, put them on the table, then try to look for something to stand the phone up. But a little tripod so you could be able to do your work, use your 2 hands passing the squeegee, putting the shirt on, but you will need a tripod. Tip number 4, when you're using your phone, make sure you're using landscape. Do not use a vertical, use the landscape on your phone, and you also could use the slow motion part of the camera. That makes the video much better, but keep it landscape. Tip number 5, when you're recording and you want to show the product, make sure create some movement. If you're using the slow motion, do a little faster so it could move, but use some movement up, back, forward, sideways, but some movement so the video could look better. All right, now let's get to the fun part now. What we're doing here, we're gonna create a challenge. I want to challenge you guys to create a video, a 30-second video tops. I don't want to be watching a minute video, it's too long. 30 seconds so I could be able to watch all the videos. A 30-second video of you guys printing a shirt or showing a product, whatever you want to do, but a 30-second video, and all you got to do is post it on your Instagram and hashtag TIBRollChallenge. Again, hashtag TIBRollChallenge. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, follow me at John Taino. And let me tell you, we're going to have some fun. We're going to watch this because what I'm going to give away is this ink. I'm going to give about 5 quarts of ink. And this ink, I want to thank Screen Print Direct for sending us this to give away. We saw on the last video how nice this ink is. Called the Rapid Cure ink. It cures at 270 degrees. So it's going to speed up your printing process when you use this, and I really like how smooth these inks are. So that's the challenge. Post it and hashtag TIBRollChallenge, and we're gonna have some fun. And I'm gonna give you guys about maybe 10 days to do a video, and after the 10 days from when I post this video, then I'll come back and I'm gonna announce 5 winners that's gonna get the ink. My 5 top videos that my lady and I are gonna watch, and we are gonna decide which are the top 5 videos. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. May God bless you all. Be grateful, stay safe, and peace out.